the first 11th. Just doing the sterling USD currency at the moment, and what I want to get through is the monthly, weekly, daily, 240 and 60-minute graph to give you an idea of where this baby might be heading. Now, on the monthly, let's go there straight away. We have a downwards channel down here where I expect this monthly graph to fall apart, well, come off at least. The price target of this is basically 1,840, but I don't think it'll ever get there. And actually, I'll just show you where the resistance is on this on a monthly basis, if it even gets to this line. So that is 160, right? So that's where you probably see your monthly get to and fade off. That's on a monthly basis. Now let's go down to a weekly. And keep that 160 in mind while we go through this. So on the weekly scenario on the sterling, you're seeing that the top of this downwards channel is the 160 area, 161 area, and usually you find in these ascending or descending wedges that they like to coincide between the lines quite nicely and healthily, and then when they break out they usually do a big move like that, a really big move. So that pretty much there is your 160 to 161 level, and the daily is now where we really can focus in on. What I have here is basically a descending wedge which has broken, and this was just yesterday, and the target on this, if I do the calculations, is up to the 160 to the 161 level, right? So that's very important to know, but beware, you have resistance here at 158.94, 159 area, so just beware about that as well. Now if I go to the intraday graphs, they are pretty much more interesting. Now this is a daily Hawkeye, right? Green is sell, black is buy, right? And we're heading a nicely healthy black sort of scenario. We're nicely on a long sort of side here, and that's on a 4-hour graph. Every candle is a 4-hour graph. Now what I've got here on the 240 is pretty much an ascending wedge, which if I take the measurements or the technical target, I get my breakout, I get my target here, which is hit. So getting rid of that, we expect a little bit of a pullback. Now if I do the more aggressive target on this descending wedge, you will find at the breakout, you'll find that I get pretty much equal to the resistance area from down here. So we're definitely looking at resistance there. That's where we're leading to. Now on the 240, if I do the flag projection and it breaks, say in the next 4 hours, we're getting the same sort of target. So that's our 240. Let's skip straight to the 60, which is more interesting. We have, if we get a close above this line here, where we definitely tested it now in the last couple of hours, if we get a close above this level here, to the first line of resistance you're looking at 86 pips, right? Now the stop here would be about 61 at least, well, maximum 61 pips, which is about here, right? So it's about a 1.1 to 1.4 ratio of return onto the first resistance. But as this flag breaks, you tend to get this target up here. Now saying that it will go past the resistance, it's a 1 to 3 ratio, which is about 183 pips to 61. So that's what I'm waiting for now, and considering that we have the interest rates out tonight, it will be very interesting to see what will happen. So keep tuned, and this is Jay Bowman signing off till next time. Keep in touch with my commentary and hope to talk to you soon. Thank you.